Do you have a PDF file and want to edit the text in Microsoft Word? In this video, I'll show you how to convert a PDF file into an editable Word document. Open Microsoft Word. Select Open. Click Browse. Select the PDF file you want to convert. Now you can edit the text, images, and formatting just like a normal Word document. Now to save it as a PDF file again. Now click File. Click to save us. Select Open.